How to use advanced search in Twitter. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the simple steps. First thing you can do is just go ahead and access up your Twitter application. The application, just open it up. And then once you open it up, simply log in into your Twitter account, your X account. So the next step you can follow up is you can locate up the search option. In the button below, you should be finding search tab on the second. Just go ahead and locate that up and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, it will show you the search. So you can just go ahead and start up with a basic search. So just go ahead and use the search bar at the top. And you can type in any searches, for example, this person right here. So once you've selected the user like this or use the search bar with a basic search, at the very top right corner, you should be finding a filter option and three dots. So you can just go ahead and use these settings available. First of all, let's head over to filter and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can search filters. So you can go ahead and look out for the people from anyone or people you follow in the search bar. You can use that filter available, or you can use a location like if you want people near you to be available in your search first or anywhere around the world. After that, once the filter is applied, click on apply at the top right, and you have put on the settings. Similarly, you have the three dot. You can tap on it first and look for search settings. Tap on it. And when we go over here, we have different options like hiding sensitive content or removing blocked and muted accounts. So if you want these options to be turned on, you can just go ahead and turn it on or turn it off. So this is it. You may also follow the same process in order to use up an advanced search in your Twitter as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.